Today we will discuss muscular tissues. We can also call them contractile tissues. And the muscle cells को भी हम कॉमनली मसल फाइबर्स बोलते हैं, ठीक है। और इनमें प्रॉपर्टीज होती है कंडक्टिविटी, एक्साइटेबिलिटी एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्टिबिलिटी. The muscle tissues are contractile in nature because the presence of protein, myosin and actin protein. And general structure of these tissues is कि they are highly elongated and contractile muscle fibers. And they have large number of contractile threads जिन्हें कि हम myofibrils बोलते हैं, ठीक है। और इनका जो साइटोप्लाज्म होता है इन सेल्स में, इन मसल सेल्स में, it is known as sacroplasm. And the general function of the muscle tissues is they help in the movement and locomotion. We will study muscular tissue in three categories: straight muscular tissues, smooth muscular tissues and cardiac muscular tissues. First we will discuss about straight muscular tissue. These tissues are found in limbs, tongue, body wall, pharynx and the upper wall of the upper part of the esophagus. Okay, and they are arranged in bundles. This is the structure of straight muscles. Each muscle fiber is long, cylindrical और ये साइड्स में ब्लंट शेप होती है इनकी. They are not pointed at the side. एंड में ये ब्लंट होते हैं, ठीक है. और they are multinucleated and न्यूक्लियस इज पेरिफेरल इन पोजीशन, मीन्स सेंटर में नहीं होता है. न्यूक्लियस थोड़ा सेल वॉल की तरफ होता है, पेरिफेरल पोजीशन होती है इसकी, ठीक है. एंड दीज मसल्स हैव डार्क एंड लाइट बैंड्स. आपको दिख रहे हैं डार्क बैंड्स एंड लाइट बैंड्स, ठीक है. डार्क बैंड्स आर आल्सो नोन एज ए बैंड्स एंड द लाइट बैंड्स आर नोन एज आई बैंड्स. These muscles are voluntary muscles, means they depend upon the will of the animal. These muscles are under the will of animal. जैसे कि these muscles are helpful in locomotion and movement, ठीक है ना. तो अगर हमारी विलिंग होगी ह्यूमन बींग या एनिमल की, तब वो इन मसल्स से वर्कआउट लेगा मूवमेंट या लोकोमोशन के लिए. So they are depend upon the will of the animal or human being, therefore they are known as voluntary muscles, ठीक है. And these muscles are attached to the bones by tendons and therefore they are also called as skeletal muscle fibers, ठीक है. अब ये किस तरह से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं? They contract rapidly but for short time, ठीक है. And very soon they undergo the fatigue, ठीक है. और they help in movement and locomotion. These are the smooth muscles and they are present in the wall of visceral organs like stomach, intestine, blood vessels, iris of eyes, ureter, bronchi of lungs. They are arranged in layers and they are small in size, spindle shaped. जैसे कि आप डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं, they are spindle shaped and covered with plasma membrane. Uninucleated means one nucleus is there and it is in centric position, center में है nucleus, ठीक है. and we call them, these muscles are involuntary muscles, means कि they are not under the will of an animal or human being. These muscles contract very slowly but for a long time and they are helpful in the movement of guts, ureters, genital duct, to move food and sex cells and to movement of urine. Next is cardiac muscles. These muscles are found in the myocardium of the heart, means the muscular layer of the heart. उसमें ये cardiac muscular tissues होते हैं and they are cylindrical in shape. इसमें light and dark bands होते हैं and more mitochondria are there and these muscles are uninucleated and involuntary, means they are not depend upon the will of animal or the human being. These are not under the will of an animal or human being. And these muscles contract rapidly. rhythmic contraction होता है इनमें throughout the life, ठीक है. and they are non-fatigue muscles, means they do not reduce the ability of the muscle fibers to contract, and they pump and distribute the blood to the various parts of the body throughout the life. That's all.